Hello, everyone. I'm Henry Ford, and today I'm here to share some thoughts that have shaped not just my life, but the lives of many. Success is not just about wealth or fame. It's about how you think and your actions. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. If you believe you can accomplish something, you will work towards it. But if you convince yourself that you can't, you'll never even try. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Don't be afraid of failure. It's a teacher. When something doesn't work out, see it as a chance to start over with more knowledge and wisdom. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Teamwork is essential. No one achieves great things alone. It's about gathering the right people and pushing forward together. Every great success is a team effort. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Instead of pointing out what's wrong, focus on solving problems. Complaints don't get you anywhere, but solutions do. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. When you're in sync with your team and moving toward the same goal, success follows naturally. It's not about one person shining, but everyone pulling in the same direction. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Focus on where you want to go. The moment you lose sight of your goal, challenges start to look bigger than they are. Keep your vision clear and sharp. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Never stop learning. Life is full of lessons, and the more you learn, the more you grow. Keep an open mind and always be curious. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. True integrity is about doing your best even when no one is watching. It's the commitment to excellence that defines lasting success. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Mistakes are part of life, but the worst mistake is not learning from them. Every setback holds a lesson. Make sure you take something valuable from each one. No man is living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. You are capable of more than you realize. Most people limit themselves by underestimating their potential. Push yourself beyond what you think is possible, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. You see, success is not just in the big ideas, but in how you approach life, handle challenges, and never stop moving forward. Apply these principles, and you'll see how far they take you. Don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Words and hit the bell icon to avoid missing out on America's millionaires. Keep learning, keep growing, and most of all, keep moving forward. See you next time.